Is your image file size too large to share, upload, or store efficiently? Large image files can take up valuable storage space, slow down uploads, and make file sharing more difficult. When you need to reduce image size quickly, complicated image editing software can also be time-consuming. That's where Softaken Compress Image Online free can help. The problem: high-resolution images often come with large file sizes. Large files can be difficult to upload, take longer to transfer, consume more storage space, and may cause problems when websites or online platforms have file size limits. Manually reducing image size using professional editing software can also require unnecessary time and technical skills. The solution: Softaken Compress Image Online free provides a simple way to reduce image file size directly from your web browser. Instead of installing complicated software, you can use the online tool to compress your image quickly and conveniently. Benefits of Compress Image: private and local. Your data stays on your device. Free to use. No account or subscription required. No installation. Works directly in your browser. Instant results. Fast processing on your device. Canvas preview. Preview changes before downloading. Desktop version available. Option for advanced image processing. How to use. Step 1. Upload your image. Drop a JPG, PNG, WebP, or other supported image file. Step 2. Adjust settings. Adjust the available format, dimensions, quality, and compression settings. Step 3. Download result. Preview your compressed image and download the final result. Stop struggling with oversized image files. Try Softaken Compress Image Online free today. Visit the Softaken Online Document Toolkit. Compress your images quickly, securely, and completely free. Thanks for watching.